Fantastic. Welcome, I'm Mark. I belong to the Photographer Academy, and we're shooting with the amazing Molly, who I still haven't forgiven because I photographed her about 2 years ago, if not more than that. I've never actually filmed with Molly before. I've never shot boudoir with her at all. So great to have her back in studio. She's helped me out on workshops and kind of demonstrations in the past and things really. So it's really great to actually get an old face back in again and things really. It's great to actually see her. So we're shooting one part of my kind of Marilyn Monroe boudoir series of images, yeah? And everything that you're going to be seeing in this film is first of all concentrating on the kind of the four positions of camera we get going with. So that would be against the light, from the head, with the light, and overhead. Okay, those are the four positions that I shoot with this with. But then we're kind of going to go through and you're going to see the basic flow of just the sheet part of my session. So there's 5 parts to my session. This is just one part of it. Look, I'm not going to talk too much. I think you're going to really enjoy this film. In part 2, though, we're going to be looking at taking this image and kind of just concentrating on it and focusing in on just that one photograph and nailing it. In other words, absolutely making it magnificent in every way that we can and things. The pose, the sheet position, and so on. Because what you're going to see in this film is how easy it is to shoot. The second part of the shoot is basically where we're going to be looking at perfecting it. Enjoy it. So Molly just looking away towards the light for me. So this is against the light. Let's just see it come up. Guaranteed we're going to get more drama with this image because obviously we're shooting against the light as such, yeah? The other more dramatic image that I absolutely love is above the subject, yeah? And I'll definitely need to change my lens for this in a minute. So this is, again, because the light position is going to give us a great effect, all right? For the white sheet, though, I'm going to go to the bottom of the bed, but for the white sheet, I usually go to the head of the bed, all right? So I might have to actually move her away to actually get that shot. I don't shoot white sheet, as a rule, from the kind of the feet towards the head part, because it's a more erotic position. We don't need it for these images. It's more about the kind of the playfulness and everything else. So I will kind of drag the bed out, but let's just do it here for a minute. Okay, so there's the kind of the bottom of the bed shot is the usual thing for boudoir. However, as I said, for the kind of the Marilyn, we're going to be shooting from the head, as it were. And then, of course, we've got is within my back of the light. Straight at me, Mole. Turn the head to me a little bit more, darling. That's lovely. Oh, 2 shots. Shouldn't have done that. Who put it onto duplicate? Not me. So let me just go back to the other one. Relax, Molly. So we've got our 4 images with the light, against the light, and everything else, yeah? So this is against the light, from above. Then we kind of come into the foot or the head of the bed. And then what we're going to be doing is basically photographing with the light itself. So, Molly, are you okay if I drag the bed a minute? You're only like two stone now, but at least she knows what I'm doing. What the hell? Okay, so I would say when I'm going to do the overhead shots, we basically need to move to the actual overhead and the shadow side of the bed. That's really where I want to be, because I want to show more shadow and less of the higher light as such, really, and things really, okay? So let's kind of just get going. We're only doing the sheet part of this shoot. I need that there, don't put it away. What does that mean? We're not going to go through pillow talk, implied, or anything else with it. We are just doing the sheet element, so you can kind of add it in or using it just as a part of a signature session by itself, if that's what you want to do. Right, so let's do Mole. Straight at me to begin with. Just turn that head to me more, darling. That's beautiful just there. Keep it. Let's shoot it from above. So while I'm just doing the detail shots, turn the head that way a little bit and the eyes at me, darling. Great. Let's do it from the head of the bed. And back towards me, please. 1 second. Keep it. And if you roll onto your back a little bit, so roll onto your boobs so I can see your back more. So from here we'll have the drama. It's not going to be as good a shot though. Why? Because obviously all we've got is kind of bra strap. Whereas once she rolls onto that side, we've definitely got our kind of flat light image. Let's do it again. So we know what we're trying to achieve, okay? We're going to do a little bit of a rotisserie. So in other words, she's going to be kind of rolling around to me. Before I do that though, I've got to swap to my 24-105 because I've got to do the overhead. This, going to lay back on your back please, Molly. This is a 24-105 lens. Its maximum aperture is f4, okay? So that's all I can go to. So let's do the same thing again. Focus position towards the head. Let's do it. Okay, so just there. And looking away, Molly. More. It's beautiful. You do hope at this point that it hasn't zoomed in. Let's do it, which my lens does. We want more space around the image. And there, relax Molly, there for me is all the Marilyn I ever need to do. Because really, if we're kind of looking at that very last shoot that Marilyn Monroe did before she basically died, it kind of is all about the fun, the impact, and it is about the kind of the simplicity and the angel-like that she is. And obviously got a little angel with us today. Molly, let's do the rotation. So you're going to have a little bit of fun, big expressions, whatever you want to do. I'm going to change back to my 50mm. And if you start over that side of the bed, more, there you go. And you're going to be rolling, and you're looking at me as you go, okay? So let's come, straight at me, keep rolling, Molly, happier, sultry, whatever you want to do. Keep it coming, darling. Come on, keep rolling, you can do it. Excellent, and again, that's lovely. Keep it, and again, darling, again. Don't fall off the edge of the bed. Eyes at me. It's gorgeous. Well, we didn't even rehearse that one. That was really good. I like that a lot. Nice girl. Right, if you want to whip off your bra for me, please. You know what to do. So that rotisserie kind of thing, I know it sounds terrible, but it's the easiest way for you to add in your variety into the shoot, yeah? You can see that kind of the bra strap is really dominating the shot. So for us, just asking the client, is there any chance that we can do it without the bra, will allow you to basically at least kind of have the option to do it. Show it to them on the back of the camera, show how great it looks or whatever it is. But often you can just slip off a bra strap without actually losing the whole bra and you'll still get the image. Before we kind of did the shoot, all I went through with Moll was to actually how to kind of hang on to it as if it was a bath sheet, so either with one hand or two hands with it and things really. What the hand also does, it basically boob control. So it's not only keeping it hidden, but it's also kind of creating a little bit of shape and things really. And if you're using one hand high and one hand low, that alone can actually use the two hands with a woman with a bigger bust to actually control the actual boobs themselves, okay? So we're there. Let's do that same rotisserie, shall we? Bit of a laugh. Go over that M more. Go lower down the bed a touch, Molly, if you can, just so I can not lose your face. Okay, so straight away, let's keep it. Turn the head to me a touch, Molly. That's more, darling. Can you look at me? Can you look at me? That's lovely. More to me, darling. Little expression. Go for it. You know, straight away I'm done. You know, we've got a great looking image and everything else with it. It does everything that we need. Right, now she's going to be rolling around to me. Okay, let's go. And nice and slow as you go. Go. Happier, Molly. That's lovely. And again, darling. Keep it coming, darling. Come over to my other pillow. That's lovely. And again, look away. Look to me now. That's lovely. And roll away again. Do it in reverse. Go. That's what expression I had. I love that. Look at her giggling away. Really, really nice with it and things really. Okay, so let's do, before I change lens, I'm going to do exactly the same. Basically, the rotational kind of shots, we shoot about 3 or 4 times. And obviously, we're going to choose the best of the best within it and things. But I still want at least 2 camera angles plus a wide on it as well, all right? So we've done the kind of the shadow side. Now I'm going to do the kind of more towards the head of the bed, but I'm not. You can see I'm still on the shadow, but really what I'm doing is closer up on her. Okay, Molly, we're going to do the same thing, darling. Okay, looking to me any stage you get. That's lovely. And go. Come on. Oh, great. Come on, Molly. That's lovely, darling. Keep it. Again. I did say I can't take a bad photo. Go on, go back again. Go, go, go. That's lovely, Molly. Beautiful, darling. Relax. Oh, oh, it's exciting. I love it. Okay, let's go next shot. Wide angle, going to do it from above. The negative with my wide angle lens is that it's kind of old and it kind of loses its zoom. It tries to zoom out all the time with it. Keep there. Let's shoot that first, I love it. Okay, Molly, ready? Come. Come on, it's lovely. Look towards it, that's great. You're looking to it all the time, it's brilliant. Again, and back again. Excellent. Let me just check. Oh, it's beautiful. Try and get a leg out. So get a leg out, but still try and cover the pants. So it almost looks like implied, yeah? Tuck it into the back of a pant, I think, just at the top line or whatever. Perhaps do it at the back as well. And we'll do it again. It's just so we can show that there's shape there, that's all it is, yeah? And possibly put that between the leg, so this whole sheet, hang on to your top. Give me leg, that's it. I love that. Let's do it again, shall we? Quit there. Straighten me again first, Mol. That's lovely. This hand back all the way, I think. Big expression for me, darling. Real, great Marilyn. That's lovely. Okay, ready to go? Let's go then. Come to me. Come on. It's gorgeous there. Again. Hand towards the hair more. It's beautiful. Oh, I'm glad we tucked that in. Go. Back again. Stay there. Stay there. It's lovely. And look away. Right. Come into the middle of the bed and do that same pose there. Bring this knee over to me more. That's lovely. Can you scoop down a touch without spoiling it? That's it. Give me a little bit more top of the boob, a little bit of your back. See, I love the bum, so give me the bum back. That's it, don't hide it. You've got one, so use it. There you go. It's great, let's do it. Same again. Straight at me. Keep it. Again. Big expression. Cheekier. That's lovely. And roll away. Go, 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 go. And to me with a... Oh, missed it. Do it again. Go, go, go. Come to me now. So stay there, stay there, stay there. That's gorgeous. Keep it. Expression. It's lovely. Relax. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. It's gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Very well done. So again, we're only using the sheet. I mean, that's the thing. And we were only planning, as we've just seen, to do that little bit of the rotisserie. So in other words, looking at actually the roll. But the key thing to remember, relax Molly, sorry darling. The key thing to remember, of course, is to always think about the different positions of the camera. As soon as I start to move myself into the light, yeah, I know it's going to be flatter. And you might feel, for some of your photography, you prefer that, and I'm okay with it. I like a little bit more contrast within the image, which means I need a little bit more grey and black. And that's obviously what we're going to get on the shadow side. You might be worried about the kind of the face looking at you here. And it's in the dark. I'm okay with that. Move to the other side to do that same shot and things really. That's all we've got to do is move position of the camera so she's looking more in towards the light than less with it. I'll finish off just by doing that, in fact, ready? Mol, hang on to your bed. I'm moving you again. I bet you're glad you're not dragging me, Molly. She's laughing, which means yes. There's no way I'm doing that. Let me just do there. I'll get the camera, that always helps. Brandon, I won't be able to see this, so can you just check? I've got connection still. Oh yeah, if you go over to there in a minute. Okay, so Molly, so you're going to be looking towards me as we do the roll. Turn the head to me more, darling. More, more, more. Let's take the one hand away again. That's gorgeous. Give me bum and side of the leg. Yeah, give me all the legs. That's it. It's great. Keep it. Let me just see it on screen. It's good. Let's do it. It's lovely. And again, happier. Fake it. It's lovely. Again for me. Start over that edge and then roll into me, can we? Okay, let's go. Ready? Come on then. It's lovely. Keep it. Oh, it's lovely. Go. Keep it coming. Got to get past the pants. There you go. It's lovely. Turn the head to me more, Molly. It's gorgeous there, darling. Keep it. Go lower down the bed for me, can we? Can you just push the cushions off? The things I ask you to do. Go down that way a little bit more. I'm not shooting the feet at all, but I do need them in shot. Great, let's do it. Give me the other leg as well. Just put it between, hide your pants a bit. That's it, let's do it. Turning the head to me, Molly, slowly, and again. One hand above again, I think, around by the hair. That's gorgeous, it's gorgeous. Turn the nose to me more. Excellent, happier, faking it, cheekier. That's gorgeous, there you go. And roll away, let's do it. Go, 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 go. Let's wait till you come, cover your pants first, that's it. I know I want the earth. Let's do it again. It's gorgeous. Come back again, let's roll, keep rolling, keep rolling. It's lovely, there you go. Perfect. Come up to me again, roll it to me. Slow state. Oh, there's a shot. Big expression, almost embarrassed kind of thing. Keep it. Stay there. One more. You're an angel. Relax. Nice shot. Oh, good job. Thanks for joining us live, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.